These rusty bolts are about to become something you'd never expect.
This facility turns tons of scrap metal into brand new products every single day.
Let me show you how a pile of rusty bolts becomes a working ceiling fan.
It all begins with scrap, old, rusted bolts collected from all over. A powerful magnet does the heavy lifting, sorting metal from everything else. Every load is weighed and logged before it enters the plant. It's hard to believe something this corroded can be reborn.
A vibrating screen sorts the bolts by size before anything else happens. Tumbling inside this drum scrapes away years of rust and grime.
Underneath all that rust, the raw metal is still there.
A final rinse and dry leaves them ready for melting. Now the bolts meet extreme heat, over 1,000 degrees. Slowly, the solid metal begins to turn to liquid. This is the moment rusty scrap becomes pure, liquid metal.
Every degree is monitored closely to get the metal exactly right.
Now it's ready to be shaped into something new.
Impurities are skimmed away, leaving only clean metal behind.
A precise blend of elements gives the new metal extra strength. This metal is now stronger and purer than what we started with. The liquid metal is cast into solid ingots, ready to be shaped further. A controlled cooling process solidifies the metal evenly. These ingots are now the raw material for our ceiling fan parts. These ingots are now the raw material for our ceiling fan parts. A rolling mill flattens the metal into thin, uniform sheets.
Each pass through the rollers makes the sheet a little thinner and longer. Each pass through the rollers makes the sheet a little thinner and longer.
This coil holds enough metal for hundreds of fan blades.
A powerful press stamps out the exact shape of a fan blade.
Every blade comes out identical, stamped with total precision. A laser trims the edges to an exact, smooth finish. This housing will protect the motor at the heart of every fan. Now it's ready for machining and finishing.
A CNC machine adds the precise mounting points and screw holes.
Every hole is drilled to an exact measurement, down to a fraction of a millimeter. Precision here means the fan will run smoothly for years.
Sandblasting gives every surface a clean, even texture. A powder coating gives lasting color and protection against rust. Heat cures the coating into a hard, durable finish.
Inside the housing, copper wire is wound into the motor's core. This coil of wire is what will spin the blades for years to come. Now the motor is complete and ready to be tested. Every motor is run at full speed before it's approved. Only motors that pass every test move on to final assembly. Now the blades are attached to the finished motor. Every blade is aligned perfectly to keep the fan balanced and quiet.
What was once rusty scrap now looks like this.
A final spin test confirms it's smooth, balanced, and ready for your home. Packed securely, it's ready for its journey to a store shelf near you. From here, it's just days away from spinning in someone's living room.
From a pile of rusty bolts to this, and Hauer. That's the power of industrial recycling.